Welcome, Baruchim Habaim, and your being here is a blessing for sure. This is the 38th day that you have been counting the Omer with Morah Debrah and our friend Uri. Isn't that cool? 38 days, that's more than 4 weeks. Whoopsie. This is what 38 looks like. 38. It's the 38th day of the counting of the Omer. And in Hebrew, we say Shaloshim v'Shemona. 2 circles, one on top of the other. Shaloshim v'Shemona. Shaloshim v'Shemona is our 38th day. And that's what we are going to be counting today, all the way to 38. But Ivrit, though, in Hebrew. And we are going to be talking about where it lands. Where is that mispar in the 30s? Is it close to the 31st day? Shaloshim va'achat. Or is it closer to the second half? It is. It is really close to 2 numbers we have not talked about yet. Wow, it's pretty far away. 7 to be exact, right? 7 spaces down. So we've been talking about even numbers and odd numbers. 35 is an odd number because anything that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, odd. Anything that is even would be 2, 4, 6, 8, or with a 0. In this case, it'll be 40. When we get to 40, we'll only have 9 days left. So, here we are, 35. Shaloshim v'hamesh. Is 5 even or odd? So our pattern's going to start with odd. 36, our double chai number, Shaloshim v'sheish, is even. Very good. Yesterday's number, did we count apples or did we tepuchim or did we count Kubi Yoat? Did you see this yesterday? Nope. You saw the apples, the tepuchim, right? And that was 37. Shaloshim v'sheva. So today, if this is odd, so if we have odd, even, odd, what would this be in our pattern? Even. Very good. 8 is an even number. Shaloshim v'Shemona. All right. So now that you know where the mispar lives, we are going to move right on to our counting of the Omer. Let's get going. I need everybody to help me. Uri's not much help. He's still learning. But you guys are so smart. You've got it down pat by now. You can even figure out that when we get to 20 and we get to 30, there's a v on most, all of them. And you just keep adding the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Because you are just so smart. All right. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Achat, shtayim, shalosh, arba, hamesh, sheish, sheva, shemona, tesha. Get your sparklers ready. Eser. Achat esrei, shtayim esrei, shalosh esrei, tov ma'od, arba esrei, hamesh esrei, sheish esrei, sheva esrei, shemona esrei, shemona, like today. Tesha esrei. Get your koach ready for esrim. You ready? Esrim, yay! Esrim, woo! That's awesome. You can count all the way past esrim, though. Esrim va'achat, esrim v'shtayim, esrim v'shalosh, esrim v'arba, esrim v'hamesh, esrim v'sheish, esrim v'sheva, esrim v'shemona, esrim v'tesha, and 4, 30, shaloshim, we jump, kaf totafot. You ready? Echat, shtayim, shaloshim. You ready? Echat, shtayim, shalosh. Shaloshim! Yay! Very good. Shaloshim va'achat. Shaloshim u'shtayim. Shaloshim v'shalosh. Shaloshim va'arba. Shaloshim va'hamesh. 3 more days. Shaloshim v'shesh. Shaloshim v'shava. Shaloshim v'shemona. Awesome. Look at that. You guys have counted clear down here. We started way up here with echat, and we've gotten all the way down here. We are almost done with our mizparim on our Sifriyat HaOmer, counting of the Omer. Isn't that amazing? I'm just so impressed. I know, year after year, my pre-K especially learn how to figure it all out. It's great using your moach. So look how few days don't have X's. I have 1 full week, and we know there are 7 days in this week. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 11 days left. Wow. That's amazing. And we are going to count by twos because we talked about 38 is an even number. So we have 2, 4, 6. We have 3 in this row. 8, 10, 12, 14. We have 4 in that row. So remember our pattern of twos? 3, 4, 3. How many in this row then? How many twos? 4. Very good. How many twos in here? We go back to 3, and there would be 4 here. We've done 2, but there are 2 more. So let's start. 2, 4, 6. I need your help. 8, 10, 12, 14. 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28. 30, 32, 34, 36. Today's 38. Yay! That's awesome. And 5 and 7 are odd numbers. But we're still going to count by those too, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Pretty soon we'll be able to add that 40th day and 7s. We'll do 7s and then we'll do 10s. And we've talked a lot about how there are 7 days in each row, right? It's not a Monday through, it's not a Sunday through Saturday calendar. This is different. But there's still 7 days in each of our weeks, and we have 7 weeks. So if it's 7 days, 1 row, 1 week, Shavua, is 7. But when you take 2 weeks and add them together, you have 14 days, Yamim. And you have 3 weeks, you have 21 days, Yamim. 4 weeks, you add another week, you get 28. Add that 5th week and we have 35 days. That's more than one of our normal calendar months, right? And then we have 2 numbers we haven't gotten to yet, 42. So that's the 6th week, and the 7th week will be 7 days times 7 weeks equals 49. Yep, 7 times 7 is 49. And the last one, which is an even number, are 10. So take your etzba out, wiggle them around. Let's get them warmed up. Woo! Right? And one set is 10 esrim, right? No, eser. 10, 20, 30. It's a little harder for me to count it in Hebrew. Let me see. Eser, esrim, shaloshim. Yay! Morah Debrah did it. So today I am making this video it is really graduation for our pre-K. And so we're so happy, which works right into our mitzvah, right? And we are so happy that you have all been with us for the last many years, right? Some of you have been with us since you were babies, some just since you were 2, some of you just 3, some of you just came this year. But it doesn't matter. You have brought so much happiness into our life. And that just works perfectly with our mitzvah. Today is actually a simcha. It is a simcha. It is your graduation. It is a time to be joyful and to be happy, sameach. But when we have an occasion like this, we say it's a simcha. And you know what? We also have a specific prayer we say on special occasions like this. It's called the Shechecheyanu. So I think it's appropriate to say it. Even though you will see this days after you graduated, we'll say it anyway. Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam Shechecheyanu V'kiyamanu V'higiyanu Lazman Hazeh. We thank God for bringing us to this joyous occasion, and we're so happy. We look forward to watching you grow up and come back and visit us. This is wonderful. And next, because it's an even day, we are going to go and do our Kubi Yoat. So I'm going to take my wonderful blocks sign. I'm going to set it up over here so you can see everything. And I'm going to change hats. Here, I'll show you the Kubi Yoat. You can work on your letters, your B, your L, your O, your C, your K. And if in Hebrew, maybe Ima Va'aba will help you. All right. So now, Morah Debrah is the queen of the 2s again. All right. So here we have Esrim 20, right? We have 20 there. And in this group, we have 16, which is Sheish Esrei. Sheish Esrei, and this is Esrim. All right, so I'm going to put it a little bit here. We have 20 in this tower, and we have 16 in this tower. But that's only 36, so that was a couple of days ago. And we are past that. We are going to add two more Kubi Yoat. And I have to do it the correct way. Echat, shtayim, right? All right, but let's count. Let's see. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Let's see. I want you to be able to see the basics here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So we definitely had 16 there, correct? All right. But we are going to add 2 more. So we're taking our 16 away. And I'm not as good as Jade. And we're adding 2 more to make it 18. Shemona Esrei. 18. So if this is 16, is this 18? No. That would be an odd number. That would be 17. And 1 more over here makes it even, right? I can put more blocks on it. If it's that way, it's odd, right? So we have 18, we have Shemona, and if we have 20 here, and we have 18 here, this is what it looks like. We have 20 plus 18 equals 38. Shemona Shaloshim Shemona. And that is our addition. I know that when Jade does it, it is much better. But we're coming up on Shabbat, and I don't have time to send it to him, to edit it, to get it to Margie. So I had to do it the old-fashioned way. 20 plus 18 equals 38. Yeah, isn't that nice? So we have counted by twos, right? We counted by twos on the chart. Sifriyat HaOmer. And we counted by twos here, and we added two more. We went from 16 to 18. Look at how close we are. How many more do you think we need to make it equal to this? Here's a hint. It doesn't make a shin. We're only putting 2 up. So I will see you back here tomorrow for the next day. We're going to take 38 and add 1 more, and it'll make it an odd number. So the queen of the twos is saying shalom. Have a great day. Oh, I'm sorry. I want you to have an awesome day. Yom Sababa. And I'll see you at graduation.